Hey, I'm Jamie from HelpGhost. Today, we're going to talk about one of the things I hear from MSPs all the time. I get AI as a future, but my clients pay me for personalized service. So why would I put AI between us and them? And look, that's 100% valid because the reality is you're not really competing on technology. You use basically the same stack, the same RMMs, PSAs. It's the same stack for every MSP really in the market. The same will be for AI one day. Your competitive advantage is you. It's the people. It's the human connection that cannot be replicated. So when someone tells you to put AI in front of your clients, it feels like they're asking you to give away your strongest differentiator, and you shouldn't. And I get why that would sound scary. But here's also what's true. AI is already here, and it's clear it's here to stay. Your clients are already using ChatGPT. I mean, your techs are too. They're already using it to troubleshoot. They're experiencing AI-powered support from other industries too. The reality is that the MSPs that figure out how to use AI strategically will win. So the question isn't, should I use AI? The question is, how do we use AI in the way that strengthens, not weakens, our client relationships? And that all comes down to positioning. Here's how we see MSPs successfully deploy AI to their clients. First, it's additive, not replacement. This isn't about removing your phone support. It's not about replacing email, which I'm sure we would all like to do. It's about giving your clients one more option, specifically for those moments when they just want to get in, get their answer, and get back to work. When you frame it in that way, it's not threatening, it's helpful. Think about it from your client's perspective. Sometimes they have a quick question. How do I reset my MFA? Or where do I find this setting? And, they don't want to wait on hold or write a formal email. They just want an answer. That's what AI is perfect for. The second, your clients already expect multiple support channels. This is something I learned in my software roles. Modern customers expect modern options. They want multi-channel. What frustrates them isn't having too many options, it's having options taken away. When you add Helpdesk automation, you're not removing anything. You're simply expanding coverage. You're meeting them where they already are. And if the solution you're using does it right, you maintain complete visibility and control. Third, how you communicate the rollout matters a ton. We've created a deployment template that our partners use. It's in the description below. But here's the key message. We're enhancing our support coverage to give you more options. Alongside our existing phone and email support, you now have 24/7 instant support for those questions that you just need a quick response and resolution to. This positions AI as an enhancement to your existing service, not a replacement. It emphasizes that your traditional support channels remain fully available. They just see it as another way to get help from your team. And if you're not ready to go all in, that's understandable, but you can try these approaches first, after hours. Deploy AI only outside of business hours. Give clients 24/7 support when you're not available anyway. This lets you test in a lower risk environment. And then there's internal testing. Use it with your own team first. Let them experience it, give feedback. Become advocates before you actually roll it out to clients. Start with a handful of tech-savvy clients in a pilot group who you know will be receptive. Get wins, gather feedback, then expand. The point is, you control the rollout, and you decide the pace. Here's what we've seen happen when MSPs deploy this correctly. Your clients get faster resolutions on routine issues. They're happier, and client satisfactions go up because they now have more flexibility in how they get support. But here's the kicker. Your tech spend less time on password resets, how do I questions, and break fix, and more time on the complex, high-value work that actually showcases your expertise and drives revenue. AI doesn't replace the human connection, it elevates it. When a client does get to your team directly, it's for something that actually requires your unique expertise. And it's a better experience for them and for your techs. Look, I'm not going to tell you that deploying AI is 100% risk-free. Change always carries some risk. And the reality is that's life. But I will tell you this, The MSPs who are figuring out how to integrate AI strategically right now are building a massive competitive advantage, at least for the immediate future. They're operating more efficiently and positioning themselves as innovative partners. The ones waiting on the sidelines, they're not avoiding risk as much as they'd like to think they are. They're increasing it by letting these opportunities move past them. Here's my challenge to you today. Don't let fear of AI keep you from using it strategically. Your competitive advantage isn't that you avoid automation, it's that you use it better than anyone else. If you want that deployment template or want to talk through how this could work for your MSP, there are links in the description, but no pressure. I'll see you in the next one.